The project after the installation may be inspected by the SNA panel inspector. In this video, we will showcase how can an inspector may carry out the inspection activities. After logging in, the inspector can view the projects allocated by the SNA. It can also view the projects by clicking the link on the side menu. The project is a group of solar street light allocated by the SNA in a particular village. The project list is divided into allocated, inspected and approved. The list in the allocated tab will include projects allocated by the SNA but yet to be inspected. This tab will also include projects that have been inspected but have submitted by the installer after modifications against the feedback. The inspected tab will showcase the list of projects in which the inspection activities of the system have been completed but are yet to be approved by the SNA. The approved tab will showcase the projects which have been approved by the SNA. In each section, the label of the project will indicate the project ID, area, total number of solar street light allocated for inspection, and street lights inspected by under the project. Once the inspector clicks on the project tab, the project cover page is displayed. The cover page will highlight the number of SSL system allocated, inspected and system pending inspection. Below these numbers are the location of the project, that is village, district, etc. Following this, there are two buttons, Manage Inspection, Submit Inspection Report. The first button will be utilized by the inspector in order to enter the inspection details of the system and the project. The second button of Submit Inspection Report should be used once the inspection of the entire project is completed. The inspector will then be able to view the list of systems. The system listing is divided into two sections, that is allocated and inspected. In the allocated tab, those systems which are yet to be inspected will be displayed. The inspected tab will include the systems whose inspection have been completed. The label of the systems will showcase the system ID and indicative address of the system. After clicking the system tab, the respective form should be showcased. The inspector can also see the inspection details by clicking the button on the top right corner. Please note the inspector can fill and save the form in an offline mode. However, the inspector needs to load the project or the system once in order to access in an offline mode. After submitting the requisite details, the system will move from allocated section to the inspected section. If the inspector has completed the inspection activities of the entire allocated system in the project, the inspector may submit the inspection report by clicking the button Submit Inspection Report. The project details will then be submitted to the SNA for further action. The inspector needs to complete the inspection of all systems under the project in order to submit the inspection report. In case the inspector has not approved a few systems from the project, then after pressing the Submit Inspection Report, the inspector needs to provide its feedback in the text box provided.